CFS 2, Raymond.
Distribute the coefficient to all islands in the parentheses. Draw arrows.
Very good. Thank you. Justin, 3.
Combine like terms.
Very good. What is in the parentheses, underline, and shapes.
Oh.
Okay? These are things that I'm going to be looking for. Diamaya, read the note.
Substitute a number of your choice into both expressions. The solution will be received if the expressions are different.
Very good. So, rewriting my expression as addition, I have -1 times 3d plus -4 plus -4 times 5 plus -2d. Please take note that this negative here assumes that this is a -1. So when we go into skill fluency, I'm going to see -1 on every single sheet of paper. Right? So then we draw our arrows to distribute our -1, which is our coefficient, to the 3d and to the -4. When I do -1 times 3d, I get -3d. -1 times -4, I get +4. I do the same thing here. My coefficient is -4. Distribute that to the 5, I get -20. Distribute it also to the -2d, which is 8d. Please remember to distribute to everything in the parentheses. Another thing that we have to continue to work on. Then I combine like terms. I identify my like terms with an underline for these two like terms and a square. So when I come around, I'm going to be looking for those shapes. I don't care if you do circles, squares, underlines, squiggly lines, but I want to look to see that you have identified your like terms. So therefore, when I combine like terms, I get 5d plus -16. 10 more seconds, get the rest of that down. You're jumping right into skill fluency number 1. I'm going to come around in 30 seconds to make sure you've already done CFS number 1, which is rewriting as addition. So Jayla's pencil's up. She's writing Raymond 1. Don't know why your pencil's not writing.
I don't see this, you're going to do it that way. Does that make sense? You would have added 2d instead of adding -2. Okay? Always follow this step.
So now I'm going to come around. I'm going to check for arrows for distributing your coefficient. Thank you, Francis is editing his work. He's adding his arrows.
What gets distributed? This, yes. I don't see right where this goes into this. So if this goes into this, what happens here? What's getting distributed?
All right, your sound.
Outside of these parentheses. What is outside of these parentheses? Yes.
Great.
Go. What is in front of this?
Good job. I'm seeing some arrows on the page.
How is a -1? Yes, great. So now you know it's a -1. -1 times 5 is 3.
I left the CFS up so that you can use that as your guide.
-1 times 3 distributed.
The arrows are up on the CFS. Do you see the CFS?
Yeah.
So the arrows to distribute. Okay, I'm looking for that. That was what I said I was coming around to look for. So let's go for those arrows for distribution. You see arrows. Make sure we get those arrows on the page. Close. Make sure you get your arrows. I'm not sure what this number is on that one.
Okay, everyone, pencils down. Hands free. Track me. Diamaya's tracking. Francis is tracking. Great. So I came around. I said that I was going to come around looking for arrows. Many of you had them, but some of you did not. I left the CFS up so that you can follow these steps. I'm going to give you another minute to work on getting those arrows down and those shapes. So I'm coming around now in this next minute to check for those shapes to identify your like terms. So either using underlines, squares, circles. Ready? You have a minute to finish that. I'm starting to see shapes.
Put a box on which one to leave.
All right, I'm hearing sound. Xavier? Thank you. All right, that's the timer. We're going to review now. Ready? Pencils down, hands free, track me. You should be done with 1 and 2. That's more than enough time. How do we rewrite number 1 as addition? Thank you, Sine. Thank you, Francis. Let's hear from Jayla. How do you rewrite this?
Rewrite number 1 as addition by doing -1 parentheses r plus -s close parentheses plus -5 open parentheses 2r plus -2s close parentheses.
Very good. Sorry, S. Great. So when I distribute my -1 and my -5, what do I get? Give her academic achievement for that. That was very good. She followed the CFS, Francis.
Underline what you want to change first.
Okay, you would get -1r plus 1s plus -10r plus 10s.
Very good. Give him academic achievement. What's one set of like terms here? Kayla.
One set of like terms is -10r and -r.
Very good. And when I combine them, what do I get?
You get
Okay. Thank you. -11r. Very good. So give her academic achievement. Good job. And what's my other set of like terms? Zest, Jayla. Thank you. Zest, Kiana, and Ade. Francis, Xavier. Great. Latanya, what do you have?
Good job. Good job with step 1.
Be careful.
Step 2 is? Go back to CFS. Don't guess.
Who can help her out? Kiana, what do you have?
10s and s, 11s.
Very good.